I think here's my thought, and it was an individual tweet on my personal opinion, not representing any school or school board or anything like that.
A high school teacher is defending his tweet that said he brought some new non-medical masks with messages like pointless placebo, writing he couldn't wait to wear them, and it's timely for him to be teaching the novel 1984. The tweet garnered a lot of attention and a lot of response, most of it supporting the use of mandatory masks in Alberta classrooms this fall. Rabel says he meant the tweet as a tongue-in-cheek reference to his belief that the province needs to be doing more to facilitate social distancing and hygiene in schools, not just handing out masks. He thinks if masks are mandatory, they should be the model N95.
The experts, Dina Hinshaw and even our Canada Chief Medical Officer, they've been kind of changing their advice throughout the pandemic. And so I guess for me, my thought is this. Perhaps in a perfectly sterile environment, the cloth mask or the non-medical mask might be useful. I don't know if they've actually taken the realities of Alberta education and applied that.
The latest guidelines from Health Canada say that non-medical masks can reduce the spread of COVID-19. More specifically, the website states that medical masks, including surgical, medical procedure face masks, and respirators like N95 masks, must be kept for healthcare workers and others providing direct care to COVID-19 patients. The school division Rabel works for says, in part, Prairie Rose School Division is aware of the comment posted on a staff member's personal social media account. We will not be providing any additional comments about the individual or their personal opinions. Speaking to Breakfast Television Wednesday morning, the Alberta Teachers Association said it couldn't speak to the issue yet.
I mean, we have a code of conduct that tells me that I would need to speak with this teacher first before I make comment on it publicly. I just think it's unfortunate that in society, masks have become so polarized and politicized.
Rabel declined to comment on whether the ATA or the school division had reached out to him regarding the tweet. His Twitter account has since been deleted. He did say that individuals have a right and responsibility to speak their mind in a democracy, and he had many messages of support from parents and other staff.
I thought it was pretty clear it was more tongue-in-cheek, but the reality is certainly how it was portrayed in some circles was not. So I think, again, just having that hindsight.
Rabel did say that he would be wearing a mask as school starts again this fall. Kara Campbell, City News, Calgary.